What you're seeing isn't from a multi-million-dollar studio. It's created with AI for free by regular people. And right now, this specific niche of 3D AI storytelling is generating incomes that border on the absurd. For those who got in early, I discovered a channel that makes approximately $19,000 every single month creating short AI-generated videos. I can assure you, the owner isn't putting in more than 30 minutes a day. This other channel, just with 60 videos, got over 42,000 subscribers and already pulling in $2,000 a month. The demand for this content is not a speculation. It's a verified fact. Now, according to industry reports, skilled 3D animators command serious salaries. But here's the paradigm shift. Today, with artificial intelligence, you don't need the skill set, you need the strategy. And that is precisely what I'm giving you. Let me be unequivocally clear about what you do not need. Any degree, expensive equipment, prior editing, or 3D modeling experience. What you do need is right here. The system I'm about to break down is 100% automated and 100% replicable. By the end of this video, you will have the complete blueprint to build a faceless, automated online business. All you need to do is commit, watch, and apply. So, how do we go from zero to a professional, monetizable 3D video? We're going to leverage 5 powerful, free AI tools in a specific sequence. First, we'll use ChatGPT to engineer our story script and generate precise image prompts. Second, we head to Agents AI to create the visual prototypes of our characters. Third, we'll refine and generate full-body consistency for those characters using Imagine Art AI. Fourth, the magic happens in VideoInu AI, where we animate everything into a seamless 3D story. And finally, we'll use Wink AI to surgically remove watermarks and upscale our final video to pristine 4K quality. Absolutely free, I'll walk you through every single step from account creation to final export. Pay close attention, because I will also reveal a powerful hack to generate even more content without spending a dime. And I'll show you exactly where to put your first video for maximum payoff. But before we dive into the dashboard, real talk for a second. I noticed that a huge percentage of people watching never take the half a second to subscribe. What I'm giving you for free on this channel is the foundation of a business that others will charge you thousands for. So, if you're serious about building something for yourself, do 2 things. Smash that subscribe button and hit the bell notification. You do that so you don't miss the advanced strategies I drop every single week. It's the easiest investment you'll make all day. Let's build our story foundation. We start with ChatGPT. Your goal is to get a compelling short script and detailed descriptions of your characters. Open ChatGPT. You can go to YouTube, find a 3D or cartoon style you like, screenshot a character, and upload it, asking ChatGPT to generate similar image prompts. But to save you time, I'm putting the exact prompts I'm using today in the description below. Use them as a template. See how it gives us both the story and the blueprint for our visuals. This is crucial for consistency. Save that response. It's our Bible for the next steps. Now, let's bring our first character to life. Open a new tab and search for Agents AI. Click the first result. Sign up for a free account using your Google login. It's instant. Once you're in, we'll use the Flux Dev Image Generator. It's free and unlimited. Scroll, find it, and click Go. Now, take the first character prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into the text box. Click Go. Watch it work, and there we go. A high-quality 3D render. Right-click. Save this image and name it logically. Repeat this for every character prompt you have. For true consistency across different scenes and angles, we need a tool that can do image-to-image generation. For that, we use Imagine Art AI. Search for it, click the first link, and sign up. You get free credits. Navigate to the image generation feature and upload one of the character images you just saved from Agents AI as a reference. Set your aspect ratio to 16:9 for that widescreen quality. Now, paste the same character prompt you used in Agents AI. To save credits, set the number of generations to 2. Click Generate. This tool uses your reference image to create a new one in the same style, giving us that vital consistency. Save the best result. Do this for all your characters. This is where the magic turns into a movie. We're heading to VideoInu AI. This is the core of our operation. I've partnered with them. And the first link in the description gives you 700 free credits on sign up. Use that link. It's a direct value add for you. Click Start for free, log in with Google, and you're in. You might get a quick survey. Do it. It gives you extra credits. Now you should see your dashboard with 700 credits. Click on Story Generator. Now, pick an animation style that fits your story, maybe cinematic or 3D animation. Set your video duration. The free plan maxes out at 1 minute, which is perfect for shorts. Set it to 30 seconds. Video size should be 9:16 for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Reels. Select your language, then copy and paste the entire story script from ChatGPT into the story prompt box. Hit Create. Now, we create our custom characters. This is where we plug in the assets we made. Click Edit on the character placeholder. Choose Create. Name your character. Here's the critical part. Upload the mid-shot image from Agents AI and the full body image from Imagine Art AI. If you have issues, make sure you're uploading PNG files for the best quality. Now, in the text box below, paste the original character prompt. Click Create Image. VideoInu will use this to understand your character's essence for animation. Once it's generated, click Apply. You might ask why we didn't just do all this inside VideoInu. 2 strategic reasons. 1. Generating images here costs 5 credits each. That adds up fast. 2. Animating our 5 scenes will cost about 600 credits. We're on a tight budget of 700, so every credit saved by using free external tools is a credit we can use for the final animation. It's about being smart with your resources. Repeat this process for your second character. Once all characters are set, click Next to generate your storyboard. Beautiful, the storyboard is generated. Let's fine-tune. Click on VoiceOver and preview the voices. Pick one that matches the vibe of your story. As a free user, you can't use custom voices, but the built-in ones are solid. Scroll through each scene. Make sure the characters and scenes look right. If everything checks out, click Next. Time for the main event. Click Animate All, then click Next again. This is where your credits are used, and you wait for the render. If you get a credit error, you may need to delete a scene or consider an upgrade for longer, watermark-free videos. Once the animation is complete, click Next. Let's add a title, subtitles, and some background music to boost engagement. When you're happy, click Generate, and there it is. Your video is ready. You can preview it. To download, click Save. As a free user, it will be in 720 pixels and have a VideoInu watermark. It'll also be public in their community. If you want to go pro with HD and privacy, that's when you upgrade. We can't monetize a video with a watermark, so let's get rid of it. Search for Wink AI and go to their online tools. Hover over Online Tools and select Eraser. Click Upload Image or Video and select your newly downloaded video. Accept cookies if prompted. Once uploaded, select Remove Text manually. Use the rectangle tool to draw a tight box around the watermark. Click Get Started. It will prompt you to sign up for a free account. Do it with Google. It's fast. Once you're in, it will process. In a minute, your watermark is gone. Click Export to download the clean version. But we're not done. That video is still only 720 pixels. Let's make it crystal clear. On the same Wink AI page, find the 4K upscaling tool. Upload your newly watermark-free video. Choose the 4K resolution option. Click Get Started, wait for the processing, and then export. Look at that. We just transformed a basic watermarked 720 pixels file into a professional watermark-free 4K video, ready for prime time. If you're still with me at this point, I know you're serious. You see the vision. So, pause right now. Take that half a second. Hit subscribe. Drop a like. That lets me know you're locked in and I should keep making these deep dive tutorials. Now, your video is ready. The next step is to create your YouTube, TikTok, or Facebook channel and start publishing. But listen, uploading the video is only 50% of the battle. The other 50% is optimization, crafting thumbnails that stop the scroll, writing titles and descriptions that algorithms love, and understanding SEO to get pure organic traffic without you spamming your friends. If you want me to create a dedicated step-by-step video on how to set up a fully optimized, professional-looking YouTube channel from scratch, let me know in the comments. Just say, optimization guide. If there's enough demand, That's exactly what we're doing next. If you got value from this, subscribe right now. Next week, I'm dropping a deep dive into automating faceless cash cow channels, a strategy that could literally double your passive income stream. You do not want to miss it. As always, stay creative, stay hungry, and keep building. I'll see you in the next one.
They said the desert hides its secrets beneath the sun, but today, the sand remembers. Still sure about this? Only one way to find out. But the desert guards its treasures with fury. An ancient map promised a city lost to time. And when the silence broke, the past rose again. Some doors open themselves, others awaken. The city fell silent, but the desert was far from done. Did we? The horizon itself began to move. From beneath the silence, the desert spoke. Every explorer finds a choice to flee or to understand. And so, the desert opened its eyes. The desert was no longer earth and wind, it was alive. This isn't a city, it's an engine. And it's been waiting for us to finish it. Their touch completed the song of the desert. They used the stars to speak. Beneath the city's bones, something still breathed, waiting. Every explorer searches for truth, but not all truths are kind. The ancients built their secrets to judge the heart, not the hand. At the city's heart, not gold, not power, but memory itself. And as the echoes of the past crumbled around them, the desert claimed what was once its own. Some adventures end where they began, beneath the endless sun,